Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the air filter in your Suzuki 750 King Quad. This happens to be a 2013. This should be the same procedure if your King Quad looks like this. We have a 2013. It's the same on that. The new ones should be the same procedure as well. So if it looks like this, you should be able to apply these steps to your ATV. So before I get rolling on this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of great content coming out. Let's get rolling on this. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to remove the seat. So to remove the seat, there's a little tab in the rear of the seat. Stick your hand under there, pull up, and the seat should come right out for you. The second thing you have to do is you have to remove these two little push pins. Get a flathead screwdriver and just kind of pry up on them. It shouldn't take much force. It should come up pretty easily. They're just two little push pins to hold this cover plate in place for you. So you take these out, just kind of lift up on this and slide it out. There's a couple tips that hold it into place on both sides. Pulls right out. And here is where the air filter is located. So to remove the air filter, just loosen this wing nut. And it's not that long, so it should come up pretty easy for you. Take that out. And then the air filter should pull right up and out of place for you. So here's what the air filter looks like on my 750 King Quad. Here's the opening for it. So this is a brand new air filter, so I don't need to replace it, but basically if you need to wash it or replace it, that's how you get at it. Place it back in. Grab that wing nut, secure it back down. You don't need to crank down on this, just make sure that it's snug. Like that. All right, so what you want to do now is put this trim piece back on. There's a couple of tabs in the front, so you want to line that up with the holes. Slide them back in, line up the other tabs. Back into place, and those little push pins, push them down, give a little tug, make sure that's all secure, and that's how that goes back in place. I'll take your seat and put that back on. There's two tabs in the front, right here and right here. You're going to want to line those up with the openings near the front of the gas tank. Push the rear of the seat down, that should lock into place for you. So that's it. It's literally that easy. It'll take you like 3 minutes to do, if that. Suzuki did a great job of making that pretty accessible and easy to get at. Quick and easy replacement to make. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have a question, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. I wanted to subscribe as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Got a lot of great content coming out. See you next time, guys.